Did you see that?
I didn't see anything. So anyways, your room's gonna be down here in the basement area. So this is your room, okay?
What happened here?
Oh, this is a girl who was here, right? And then she was bullied a lot. So she committed suicide.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's sad. There's something behind you. That was close.
Who is that?
I don't know. Maybe it's the girl. Let's go check it out.
What happened here?
We're redecorating. Here, let's go see. Oh my gosh, the door moved. Oh, we should go back.
Yeah.
So anyways, this is the exit right here, so...
Is that blood?
I think it's just paint.
To be continued.